Welcome to the art channel. Today we are going to make a digital painting capturing the beauty of a simple glass bottle. So grab your favorite tools or software and let's dive into the world of digital artistry. So we begin with a blank canvas, but our vision is crystal clear. The goal of this painting is to bring the glass bottle to life, or it seems like real, using all the digital brushes and vibrant colors. So let's just start it. Alright, so start with the outlining and fill the canvas, empty canvas, with some lines or shape of the bottle, and with the help of the different brushes of your digital software start putting some strokes and colors. So you can use the colors or the tones from the image you are taking as a reference. Just have to pick with the picker tool, just pick the color and apply it with your favorite brush. Keep on going. So let me tell you that I'm using Wacom Intuos tablet. It also helps the artist to go for intricate details, or when you are using digital painting softwares, it's very easy to use with the help of the graphic tablet or stylus. Make some details, intricate details in it in your paintings, and also it's very easy when you're trying to paint a very difficult surface like glass or water, or maybe the tone of a human body. Light dances upon the glass, revealing the subtle complexities. The digital brushwork mimics the play of light and shadows, bringing painting a little bit towards the life or realism, and in this case you can call digital rendition. The transparency and depth are the key characteristics of a glass. So the artist should skillfully blend colors, giving the glass an illusion of substance and realism. It's the little details that make the art come alive. So the artist should add some textures and details, revealing the bottle's history and character. A compelling artwork goes beyond its central subject. Artists should add complementary backgrounds and which accentuate the beauty of the glass bottle or any surface. The finishing touches are vital in elevating the artwork to its full potential. And there you have it. A digital painting that captures the elegance of a glass bottle, and it's inspiring to witness the convergence of traditional artistry with digital tools. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more captivating art content. Until next time, keep painting, keep exploring the boundless possibilities of digital art. Thank you.